All right, this is the Bode Type 3 RMB 3x3 welding manipulator.
All right, so yeah, we can run this thing up. I'll show a little bit of it first right off. Of course, use the boom drive. All works. Boom and elevation, basically two different motors. Elevation is down over here. Motor, that's the boom. The switches all work. Safety over travels are in here. All the coils, which are all tied up right now. This thing will go all the way to the top. One pendant down here. If you come over here, I'm just going to leave it on the rack here, I guess, for now. But this is all, yeah, pretty good. Kind of see that. It's got a nice 20 or 30 foot cable on it. Basically forward, reverse, stop. Speed controls for forward, reverse on the boom. And then of course raise, lower for vertical. And the box, as you pan up, same thing, we've got raise and lower on the box. We're currently under power. So there's the drive board there, lit up. Documentation, full schematics, electrical drawings for it, which is nice. And the Eurotherm drive right here, and a couple relays. All works pretty good. Access. Coming around the other side, again, just all the rollers, they're all in pretty good shape, really. The ways are in nice shape, and we're going to run it in a second here. The rack and pinion for the boom. And going to the front of the boom, and then whatever we're going to hang out here for the welding unit, the head, and all that good stuff is out here. Watch out for your three-phase, which is currently wired at 220 volts. Three-phase. Some of that is still on here. And even if you want to pan down low, we got some cables that go with it down there in the box, cable box. And it doesn't look like it was being used, but there's a wireway back here if you want to bring your welding cables and power lines up through the back end here. And for that matter, there's a big trough here, wire trough, that mounts to the front of the machine just for cable management. That's all. So as we go around, yeah, this is vertical up down motor. Again, rack and pinion, safety latch off the cable. If the cable breaks, that automatically would spring back in and catch the boom from free falling. And as you come around the front, we'll fire it up and make some things happen. So yeah, straight away we can go up and down with it. You okay with that? We go?
Yep.
Take it up a little bit. This is momentary contact. It's not maintained. The boom is maintained. This one you got to stay on the button basically. So we're going up. I can't go too far because I got the cables right here. They'll get tight, but you get the idea. Oh, it looks pretty good. It's got a counterbalance in there, I believe. You hear that thing bouncing around. There's no speed on this, of course. It's fixed rate. And back up a little bit maybe, and leave it right there and just hit the boom now. And reverse, of course, is reverse, coming away from the welding head. We're about 25% here. That's pretty nice. It's smooth. There's about 40% there. I don't know how fast these things run for a weld, but there's about 60, 70%. And it's got the readout over here. So I'm in the minus, so reverse is minus. And as I slow down, the numbers drop off, and it serves a guide to at least to know where you're at for the sake of process. So that's still reverse, of course. That's maintained. So I'm going to hit stop. And we're going to go positive in a different speed, whatever, forward. Moving right along. Slow it down. Yeah, it's nice stuff. Back up again, see this thing moving. Here's full out. I don't think anybody's going to be fabricating that quickly, but just to show what the motor can do. It looks good, sounds good. Go back down a little bit. Stop, and I'm going to reverse out just to balance out the beam here a little bit. And, yeah. Coming this way. And after that, once I just kind of stop this in the middle, the only thing left to show, of course, is I've got it unclamped, and these things, once you unclamp the whole vertical column, it's pretty easy to move. So this all works pretty nice. There's like 4, if you can see, there's 3 or 4 big clamps down there. They're all loose right now. So that's the last item of you know, consequences. Is you just kind of see that moving there. So.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know if we're going to hit something on the other side. The big boom. I have to watch the other stuff.
That's good.
Okay, so yeah, and that's that about wraps it up. Sure.
That's great.
There it is.